The birth of YouTube. In 2004, three former PayPal employees, Steve Chen, Chad Hurley, and Jod Kareem, found themselves brainstorming in a cluttered Silicon Valley garage, frustrated by the lack of a simple solution for sharing videos online. Steve: "Guys, I've been thinking, sharing videos online should be easier. Why isn't there a platform for it?" Chad: "Yeah, it's such a hassle to send large video files through email." Jod: "What if we create a website where anyone can upload and share videos with the world?" After months of brainstorming and coding sessions, on February 14, 2005, YouTube was born. Steve: "We did it. Guys, YouTube is live." Chad: "Now, let's see if anyone actually uses it." Jod: "People are actually using YouTube. This is incredible." In October 2006, Google recognized YouTube's potential and acquired it for a staggering $1.65 billion. With Google's resources behind it, YouTube expanded its offerings, introducing features like paid content, subscription options, and mobile apps. Steve: "Google wants to buy us." Chad: "This could be huge for YouTube. Imagine the resources we have access to." Jod: "Let's do it. This could take YouTube to the next level." Today, YouTube stands as the second most visited website in the world, a testament to the vision and innovation of its founders and the millions of creators who have made it their platform of choice. With annual advertising revenue surpassing $29.2 billion, YouTube continues to evolve, connecting people, ideas, and content in ways that were once unimaginable. Subscribe for more content like this. Our next video is the rise of YouTubers. Subscribe and turn your notifications. I will see you there.